Empakezi zibira Harkoroma Primary School Nyakisharara omurembo rwambarara aho amashomero garukurenga 30 okwetorora burengero izoba zetabiro mu kugamba orujungu no kuhajana nko kubakubasa kurwana so kushisha by'obuhangwa aho ishomero rya Parento Care School rukushanga mu Rubushenyi risingira gandi gona.
Is polluting our environment. So in order to reduce them, they have to plant trees so that they can reduce the carbon footprint that they also release. We want to talk about sustainability.
Abeji nibenda buri shomero riteke kiragiro obutagaraka kwikiriza muntu wena okutaho mu ishomero aina kavera ninga plastic. Ahampaka z'akamaririzo ahikiraho ishomero rya Koroma Primary School hamwe n'erya Parento Care Bushenyi etyo nukwe Parento kusinga nko kwetwire n'ekikora burijo
ni training ningashi nikiyamba abana okuba bebembezi banyenchakara nangwa nimanyisa nangwa babanda batisha okutamwa amani omurye by'ebintu ebyaheru y'ekirasi.
Plastics are actually inevitable. You're all very lucky when they say that the pens we have, the rosary, the jerry can, even the plastic chair that you're all seated in is a plastic.
Gasha kwa Mike atwachire.